Welcome to Kanishka IAS. Today's daily current affairs. First topic is about Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. It is in news because a NGO named as Missionaries of Charity hasn't got renewed. Reason being cited is that there were audit irregularities. This NGO is set up by Mother Teresa. FCRA registration is mandatory for any NGO in order to receive foreign funds or donations. Home Ministry is the controlling authority for FCRA and it conducts inspections and audits of NGOs to check that whether all the audits were in order or not. Here, renewals were sought not only for Missionaries of Charity but also for many other NGOs also in order to receive foreign funds. If we look into provisions of Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, it says that all institutions they must renew their certificate within 6 months of expiration, and the bill also provides that government can conduct any inquiry before renewing the certificate to ensure that the person who is making application for this renewal is not a Binami and he is not convicted for any communal tension. It can be between any religions or even castes. And if a person is indulging in any religious conversion activities, that is converting from one religion into another religion, if a person promotes these kind of activities. And another criteria here is that if a person is misusing funds, then the renewal of the certificate is not done to receive foreign funds. Another amendment also made in this bill in the year 2020 that only 20% of funds among that they receive from foreign they should use for administrative purposes. That means 20% of amount should only be used for administrative purposes and the rest of the amount should be used for the purpose for which they have received. If there are any irregularities in all these things, then renewal of certificates is not done. Next topic is about border roads. Defense Minister inaugurated 24 bridges and 3 roads, and all these were built by Border Roads Organization. It's important because strong infrastructure is built in border areas, mainly at the times where it is uncertainty regarding standoff among other conditions. Problems near borders is that illegal trade, smuggling, infiltration of migrants and other things. All these things can be controlled if infrastructure near border areas is good. If roads are built properly, then it also ensures equal participation of remote areas in the development of nation, and it also helps to boost tourism, mainly in north and northeast regions. Here another important thing is that Minister inaugurated India's first indigenous Class 70 140 feet double lane modular bridge. It was built at the height of 11,000 feet at Flag Hill, Dokala near Sikkim. Another point given here is that DRDO, that is Defense Research Development Organization, transferred its technology to few companies regarding extreme cold weather clothing system. This technology is important because it is helpful to provide a thermal insulator over a temperature range of 15 to -50 degrees Celsius. According to this range, temperatures can be maintained. If cloths were made like this, then it is useful for army, for those who stay in glaciers and ice cold weather. About Border Road Organization, it comes under Ministry of Defense and it was raised by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for coordinating speedy development of network of roads in north and northeastern border. The work of this Border Road Organization is that for construction and development activities. Next topic is about Production Linked Incentive Scheme. Ministry of Textiles will accept applications from January 1st for the Production Linked Incentive Scheme for textiles. Government approved PLI scheme for textiles with an outlay of 10,000 crore over a period of 5 years for production of man-made fibers and man-made fiber fabrics and other products. PLI scheme is launched in order to boost domestic manufacturing and to cut down import bills, and it aims to give companies incentives in order to increase sales from products manufactured in domestic units. And it also invites foreign companies to set up a shop in India, and it also encourages local people to set up companies and expand their manufacturing units. Under this scheme only, it aims for production of technical textiles. Thank you.